really starting to think it's that coil. Yeah, it's just shut off on me. Oh, man, that is hot. I think it is the coil. We got to get a system that's made by one company, the whole ignition system.
Type 4 Jeff recommended a really good kit by Pat Down Performance. We should check it out.
When we get home, order it.
3 days later.
Hey man, look what just arrived.
Sweet. Let's see what's in the box.
Here we have the ShockWave Ignition System. This is the black version. Comes with a very high quality set of an 8mm ultra low resistance silicone spark plug wires and a sweet dry cell ignition coil which has the laser etch plus and minus for easy installation, which includes the 2 mounting brackets, the hardware along with the extra long distributor stud, straight and 90-degree coil wire ends, a spare distributor O-ring, and 3 shims to set your distributor height. Comes with 3 sets of springs and 3 sets of bushings, which you can mix or match for your advance rate. Here's the strongest to the weakest spring rating. Heavy silver being the strongest, blue being the weakest. The ShockWave distributor and a billet clamp which fits aluminum and magnesium cases with no modification.
Right, the first thing I like to do when I'm pulling a distributor is put the motor on top dead center. And you see I always have a marking here, lets me know this is number 1, and then I confirm it. Pull the distributor off. Then remove your stud for the hold down for the distributor, and you want to install this. Next, I'm going to remove the coil. Next, we're going to put on the dry cell ignition coil. This is power from the key, and this is my choke. It has to be on positive. Front one's negative. And you want to apply some oil to the end of the shaft and around the O-ring so it doesn't pinch it. Sadly, we're not able to use this awesome billet aluminum hold down, and we're going to have to use a stock version because our stud won't come out. So we'll deal with that at a later date. Now I'm going to remove the distributor cap so I can see where top dead center is. Now we're going to install our distributor. Oh, that went in nice. Wow. Make sure it's completely dropped. There it is. Now it's dropped all the way in position. Now we're going to remove our old wires. We're installing the ShockWave with the pre-installed springs and bushings. Now we're going to get ready to install our wires. Look at that, ShockWave Ignition Systems, 8mm high conductance. You notice the coil wire is extra long so you can cut to fit the length you need. This is number 1. Right between high and 8mm. We cut our coil wire to the length we need. Carefully try to bend the tabs over. That should do it. Got our coil wire finished. There is a tool for crimping that over on the wire. 1776 here with a 110 cam. We have everything installed. I got my timing light hooked up. Now we're going to see if I have to move any of my wires and get this thing timed. Go ahead, Dennis. That didn't take long at all. I was thinking I might have to move my wires, but no. So if you're having an ignition problem like we were, you need to get a Pat Down ShockWave Ignition System. Get it all from one company, be done with it. And look, it's really easy to install.